Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 64GB kit with two 32GB sticks clocked at 6,200 MHz and a CL32 latency. This memory is designed for desktop computers and boasts Intel XMP 3.0 support. First impressions are always important, and the Vengeance RGB DDR5 doesn't disappoint. The black heat spreaders look sleek and modern, and the dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting is vibrant and eye-catching. Each module features 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs, all diffused beautifully by the panoramic light bar. The lighting is customizable through Corsair's ICUE software, offering a wide array of preset profiles and the ability to create your own unique lighting schemes. The light is bright and evenly distributed, making it a standout feature in any build. Beyond aesthetics, performance is where this RAM truly shines. With a speed of 6,200 MHz and a CAS latency of 32, it's built for speed. The kit supports Intel XMP 3.0, making it easy to achieve the rated speeds on compatible motherboards. The onboard voltage regulation is a welcome addition, providing more stable and finely tuned overclocking capabilities through ICUE. This allows users to customize XMP profiles for specific applications or tasks, optimizing performance for different workloads. The 64GB capacity is ideal for demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. The increased memory capacity ensures smooth multitasking and reduces the likelihood of bottlenecks, especially when working with large files or running multiple applications simultaneously. Installation is straightforward, as with most RAM kits. The XMP 3.0 support simplifies the process of achieving the advertised speeds, but it's always a good idea to check your motherboard's compatibility list to ensure optimal performance. The Corsair ICUE software is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing for easy customization of both the RGB lighting and memory performance. Users can monitor temperatures, adjust voltages, and create custom XMP profiles to suit their specific needs. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 64GB kit is a top-tier memory solution that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional performance. The customizable RGB lighting, high speeds, and ample capacity make it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking to upgrade their desktop computer's memory. The price point reflects its premium status, but the performance and features justify the investment for those who demand the best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.